Hello beautiful people, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm back with one more haul video, and this time I'm gonna show you guys Flipkart kurtas. So I'm very much excited to show you guys what all I have. They have like a 50 to 90% discount, I guess, because I got like very affordable dresses this time. If you like any of these dresses, you can buy it right away, because before the sale goes off you can buy these clothes. If you like my content, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon and share it with your friends and family. Without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Okay, the first dress which I'm gonna show you guys is one of my favorite, and it's in white color. This is how the dress looks like. This is one of my favorite, guys, and just look at the prints. It's very beautiful. You can also see in the try on video, and all over the dress they have given this prints. Behind also you get the same prints. The only drawback is they have given very thin straps and it's not adjustable. And this is how the bottom looks like. Bottom is quite plain. They have given a good elastic. It's in like a, this is like a narrow fit pant. And again they have given a dupatta for this. Dupatta is really nice, guys. They have given a good length. And in the bottom, in the corner, they have given this kind of finishing. Very nice. Okay, the price of this particular dress after discount is 443 rupees. I think it's very affordable, guys, because the quality of this dress is really nice. As I told you guys, there is a sale. If you like these dresses, you can go for it. It's like pure cotton. It's very comfortable. You can wear it during summer and it looks really beautiful as well. You can see in the try on video. And let me show you the next dress. This is also kurta set. This is how the top looks like. Again, this is also like a sleeveless dress. All over the dress you get the same print, and they have given like a heart shape neckline. Oh, I think I'm holding it other way around. Okay, this is the front part, and behind you get this kind of strings to strings. I'm not really sure. So let me show you the bottom. Bottom also has the same prints. See, they have given a very good elastic. This is like a narrow fit pant, and there is no pocket for this, guys. Let me show you the dupatta. This is how the dupatta looks like. Dupatta has a very good length and width. So this is how it looks like. You can also see in the try on video how the top and bottom dupatta looks like. Let me tell you the price of this particular dress. The price of this particular dress is 458 rupees. I mean, the dress quality is really nice. It's a cotton material. If you like this dress, definitely you can go for it. It's very comfortable during summer, but this is like a sleeveless dress. I'm just letting you know. They have not given any extra clothes for sleeves. So if you like this dress, you can definitely go for it. You can also see in the try on video, this dress looks really beautiful. I really like this one. And the next dress which I'm gonna show you guys is this one. This is not like a kurta set. I mean, this dress doesn't have a dupatta. This is how the top looks like. I think this is the front part. Yes. So this is how the top looks like. It's a very simple top, but it has like a vertical lines which makes you look slimmer. So yeah, this is how it looks like. You can also see in the try on video, guys. And this is how the bottom looks like. They have given a good elastic, and they have given like a narrow fit pant. Okay, the price of this particular dress is 383 rupees. I think at this price it's like a steal deal. Go for it, guys. The fabric material is rayon, and they have it in lot of colors. So they have like 3-4 colors, I guess. Let me check. They have it in 3 colors here, but I have seen a lot of colors in this. Definitely you can go for it if you like this dress. I will also provide product links in the description box. And let me show you the next dress. This is how the dress looks like. They have given a very beautiful neckline. And I got it in medium size. All the dresses I got it in medium size, and they have given like 3/4 sleeves. So all over the dress you get this kind of prints. This looks like beachwear dress. I mean, this has like a leaf and everything, right? This looks like a beach dress. You can also wear it in beach, I guess. So they have given a pocket here, which is a good thing. So I really like this dress. I'm not really sure like what material is this. Let me check. Okay, the price of this particular dress is 493 rupees after discount. I think it's very affordable. It's within 500 rupees, and the dress material is cotton blend. So you can definitely wear this during summer. You feel very comfortable. Having said that, let me show you the next dress. This is how the dress looks like. This is one of my favorite, guys, and I really like this color. I got it in medium size, you guys can see, and there is a beautiful prints on this dress. All over the dress you get the same prints, and they have given sleeveless, it's a sleeveless dress basically, and they have not given any extra clothes for sleeves. And very nice dress. With that, they have given a bottom as well. There is no dupatta for this, and you can see the bottom. They have given like narrow fit bottom, and there is no pockets for this, guys. Again, this particular dress is also very affordable. Let me tell you the price. Okay, the price of this particular dress is 377 rupees. I mean, for this price, it's like a steal deal. If you like this dress, you can definitely go for it. I think there are like different colors also in this. Yes, guys, they have it in black and green color as well. Whichever color you want, you can definitely go for it. And the next dress and the last dress of this haul is, I have ordered some more dresses, guys. It's yet to come. I don't know if I can make this video itself. And this is how the top looks like. This is how the next dress looks like. I really like this dress, guys, because it has a very beautiful print, and you can see the finishing here. It looks really beautiful. Again, I ordered in medium size. All the dresses I ordered in medium size. You can also see in the try on video how this dress looks like. It's all wrinkled, guys, because I have tried these dresses. And this is how the bottom looks like. They have given a good elastic. It's a narrow fit pant, again basic pant, and they have also given a dupatta for this. Dupatta is very thin, guys, and it's really nice. I mean, it's very comfortable to wear during summer, I feel. You can wear it without dupatta also, but it's up to you, like however you want you can wear it. And let me tell you the price of this particular dress. Okay, the price of this particular dress is 533 rupees. I think this is the only dress which is like above 500 rupees. All the dresses which I got are like below 500 rupees. And the dress material is viscose rayon fabric. It's very comfortable, guys. Definitely you can wear it during summer, and I think they have it in different colors as well. Yes, guys, they have like 2 more colors. Whichever color you want, you can buy it. And I will provide all the product links in the description box, and there is a sale. If you like these dresses, you can definitely go for it. So guys, I ordered more than 6 products, so I received the 7th product today. I will be showing you guys how this one looks like. Let me open it and show you guys. This is a very beautiful dress again, and it's very different, guys. Let me show you. This is how the dress looks like. It has like a embroidery work. Very simple dress, but it has like embroidery work, which makes it looks very different. And you can see the ruffles at the bottom. It looks really nice. I like this dress very much, and it is like sleeveless dress. There is no extra clothes for this particular dress, and they have also given a pant for this. This is how the pant looks like, and pant quality is really nice, guys. So this is how it looks like. It's pure cotton, but the top is little like cotton blend. So the price of this particular dress is 393 rupees after discount. So I think it's very affordable. If you like these dresses, you can definitely buy it, and I will also provide the product links in the description box. And yeah, that is it for today's video, guys. If you like my content, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon and share it with your friends and family, and also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram handle. Until I upload our next video, take care. Bye bye.